Get ready for a tech game changer. The Google Pixel 8 Pro, scheduled for launch in early 2023, has caught the imagination of tech lovers with its stunning design and advanced features. From a cutting-edge camera system to a powerful processor and high-speed network connectivity, this smartphone is a force to be reckoned with. With its advanced machine learning capabilities, the Pixel 8 Pro promises to be a true visionary in the smartphone market. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a productivity powerhouse, this state-of-the-art device has something for everyone. Don't miss out on the next big thing in mobile technology. Google Pixel 8 Pro specifications tipped ahead of its official launch. Google is nearing the launch of the Google Pixel 8 series, and according to a few reports, the series will be making its debut this year, only in the month of October. The series is said to include two models, Google Pixel 8 and Google Pixel 8 Pro. These two smartphones have been making their appearance online a number of times, giving an idea as to what the users should expect from the upcoming series. There are still 2 months left to the launch of this series, and ahead of that tipster at Shisher Shelk, one has now shared some of the specifications of the upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro. Expected specifications: Google Pixel 8 Pro. According to the tipster, the device will have a flat and brighter display panel. It is said to arrive with improved Tensor G3 SoC, while it might also include a bigger battery that supports faster charging speeds. It is expected to house 50MP GN2 primary camera and 64MP IMX787 ultra-wide camera on the rear side. The device is also said to be equipped with an infrared thermometer and a new TOF sensor, which was earlier also revealed. Apart from these specs, the live image of this device has also leaked online, while it was earlier tipped that the device could run on Android 14 OS, which could be paired with 12GB RAM and 128GB/256GB storage. It is said to feature a 13MP selfie camera, while the smartphone could be backed by a 4950 mAh battery that supports 27 W wired charging. If you're even remotely interested in buying a Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro later this year, you should keep a close eye on the rumors. We've seen rumors hinting at device code names, screen sizes, and processor, and we'll see a lot more as the weeks go by. In fact, we should know almost everything there is to know about these devices before the launch. These rumors will help you set the right expectations and also help you decide if you want to make one or the other your next device. For the latest information on the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, check out our guide. Google's Pixel line is known for its pure Android software. Unlike devices from other Android OEMs, the Pixel series does not have a separate skin. They run the purest form of Android. Since the Pixel 8 release date will be in the fall, these devices will run Google's upcoming Android 14 operating system out of the box. Android 14 is currently in Google's beta process and will likely stay there until August. The Android 14 beta allows select Pixel users to try out the software and its features, so if you have a compatible model, you might want to check it out. If you don't, it's a good idea to follow the beta remotely and get a feel for the software. Learning about Google's Android 14 release will be important, especially if you plan to move to a Pixel from another Android OEM or iPhone. Use this time to get a feel for the storage you might need on your new phone. Some of you will be fine with less storage, but others may want the peace of mind that comes with more interior space. Choosing the right storage capacity will also help you save money. We don't know how much storage the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will have, but we could see the devices mirror the storage options of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 to 128 or 256 gigabytes. Pixel 7 Pro, 128, 256 or 512 gigabytes. Note that the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro don't have a microSD card slot for extended storage, meaning what you see is what you get. We haven't heard anything definitive about the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, but it's safe to assume they'll follow suit. If they do, it will be important to get it right so you don't give buyers remorse. Before you decide to wait for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro release date, make sure you start your shopping with Google's other Pixel devices. Pixel 7 Pro in the upcoming years, while Pixel 7a are the obvious choices for those who really want a device made by Google. These are Google's current flagships and are among the best smartphones you can buy right now.